Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a 3.5 V6 with 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. An almond beige MB text interior. Sunroof. Pearl walnut trim. Rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. This one also is the sport line, so it comes with the sports exterior and interior. Memory seats. Harman Kardon sound system. Steering wheel controls. Media display. Hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. Turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C-Class has 80,366 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.